Okay, so now we've got the Excel taken care of. The next three are Markdown related. So Markdown, if you aren't familiar with Markdown, it's kind of a language or a file type that allows us to quickly make files. So if you look back into your files, this is a Markdown file. So it's just kind of a text file that has kind of this format here. So what's nice is, and then I have a PDF of it here. We actually can't see the PDF yet, so I'll show you how to install that as well. So there's Markdown. If I open this a little bit, there's Markdown all-in-one, Markdown PDF, and Markdown lint. You'll want to install all three of these. So I'm just going to enable, and then there's also a PDF, VSCode-PDF. I'm going to enable that one as well. And that allows me to view both PDF files and Markdown files in preview, and also convert Markdown files to PDFs. So if we check this out, go back to my files now, and if I go to my Markdown file, which looks like this, I'm going to move it over here. And if I do right click, open preview, you can see what the preview looks like. So the preview here, and as you change this, so say I want to add some text, I want to change this up, and I want to say switch this to automation. This is for data science automation, and you can see it updates right here. So if you were to save this file, and then if I wanted to, you can use this print to PDF. So if I do my package manager, command palette, and then if I do Markdown PDF export, and what this should do is export the PDF for me. So if there it goes, and this is the PDF viewer. So it's writing it, and there's my PDF, Python for data science automation. So we can see it changed it right here. So pretty cool. This is kind of being able to work with text files, make PDFs very quickly for instructions and that sort of thing.